Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn statistics formulas. First, let's start by understanding the fundamental concepts. Don't just memorize, truly grasp what each formula represents and why it's used. Think about the real-world scenarios where these calculations are applied. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building a strong understanding and making the learning process much more effective and less daunting. It's like learning the alphabet before writing a novel. Next, consistent practice is absolutely key. Solve a wide variety of problems, starting with simple ones and gradually moving to more complex scenarios. Try to apply the formulas to different types of data, perhaps even some real-world examples you find interesting. This hands-on approach helps you see how the formulas work in action and reinforces your memory, making them stick much better than just reading about them. Visualizing the formulas can significantly aid your learning. Try drawing out the components of a formula or creating a flowchart to show its steps. Also, make connections between different formulas and concepts you've already learned. For instance, understand how standard deviation relates to variance. Grouping similar formulas, like those for measures of central tendency, can highlight patterns and make them easier to recall and differentiate. Finally, regular review and the act of teaching are powerful tools. Set aside dedicated time each week to revisit the formulas and their applications. A fantastic way to solidify your understanding is to explain a formula to a friend or even just to yourself out loud. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Creating concise flashcards or a one-page summary sheet can also be incredibly helpful for quick recall.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.